Today, let's see about most favorite gifts for each countries. United States of America. Most preferred gifts. Small gifts such as pen, business diaries, and mementos. Flowers, cakes, chocolates, sweets are commonly given as gifts. Gifts to be avoided. Cooking knives and scissors means relationship ends. Ethics to give and receive gifts. Gifts are opened right away in front of the giver and express thanks immediately. Return gifts are not expected. No gifts are exchanged while meeting for the first time. Russia. Most preferred gifts. Painting, artwork with silver picture frame. Gifts to be avoided. Yellow or white flowers. Sign of disrespect to a woman. Give no baby gifts unless baby is born. Considered as bad luck. Cats, peacock feathers considered as bad luck. Ethics to give and receive gifts. Gifts are generally accepted when it is offered again, not initially at first time. Return gifts is always given while leaving the host. Flowers are not given in even numbers. France. Most preferred gifts. Fine chocolates and high quality wine. Gifts to be avoided. Walnut means bad luck. Company logo gifts must be avoided. Ethics to give and receive gifts. In function or party times, gifts are presented before the meals. Odd number of flowers are given as gifts but not 12 and 13, which is considered as unlucky numbers. Once function is over, thank you notice is to be sent to your host the next day. Your note should be handwritten and should be delivered by messenger. Japan. Most preferred gifts. Pen, symbol of knowledge, lightweight and easy to carry. Flowers, only odd numbers. Gifts to be avoided. Clocks, scissors and knives, which means to end the relationship. Potted plants, cause illness. Pen with red ink, and do not write on any card using red. No white flowers such as lilies. Ethics to give and receive gifts. Gifts are received using both hands. Initially, gifts are denied 3 times before accepting to show that they are not greedy. Gifts are not opened in front of the giver. Gifting with a pair of items is considered lucky. Portugal. Most preferred gifts. Books, clothes, flowers, ties, scarves and chocolates. Gifts for children if they have kids like toys. Gifts to be avoided. Wine in Portugal is avoided. Red flower. Red is the symbol of violation. Ethics to give and receive gifts. Rejecting a gift is considered as offense. Gifts should be opened immediately when received that shows gratitude. Returning gift at the same time while receiving is examined as offense. When giving a bouquet, it is considered unlucky to give 13 flowers. Shouldn't go empty hand for any parties. Belarus. Most preferred gifts: chocolates, dessert items, and good wine. Gifts to be avoided: flowers in even numbers. Ethics to give and receive gifts: gift wrapping are done only for expensive ones, while cheaper gifts need not be wrapped. While in business line, gifts exchange are considered as corruption. Gifts for children are usually opened in private. Adults' gifts are opened in presence of others. India. Most preferred gifts: money in odd numbers, flowers, chocolates, fruits, and sweets. Gifts to be avoided: alcohol and meat products. Ethics to give and receive gifts: giving gifts should be done with right hand. For wrapping gifts, do not use white or black colors, which are considered as unlucky colors. Instead, use bright colors. Gifts are not usually opened in the presence of gift giver. Bhutan. Most preferred gifts: high quality handicrafts. Gifts to be avoided: formal Western attire and accessories such as ties, cufflinks. Compulsory national dress. Ethics to give and receive gifts: no specific rules, quite liberal in accepting gifts. Brazil. Most preferred gifts: flowers, chocolates, good wine, whiskey, and books. Gifts to be avoided: leatherware. The leather industry in Brazil is well advanced. Ethics to give and receive gifts: gifts are opened in front of the giver. Cuba. Most preferred gifts: painting by Cuban artists, crocodile leather belts, which they considered one of their best handcrafts. Books in Spanish and silk are preferred. Gifts to be avoided: wool is inappropriate due to climate. Ethics to give and receive gifts: no fixed rules. Egypt. Most preferred gifts: small electronic gadgets, chocolates, or local pastries. Gifts to be avoided: flowers. Ethics to give and receive gifts: gifts are wrapped in a lovely cotton or linen towel with a bow. Gifts are presented with right hand or both hands. Gifts are not opened when received. Greece. Most preferred gifts: chocolates, cakes, and sweets. Gifts to be avoided: knives or scissors means end of relationship. Ethics to give and receive gifts: gifts should not be expensive. Gifts should be wrapped properly. Gifts should be opened immediately in front of the giver. Indonesia. Most preferred gifts: candy or fruits. Food are always sent as a thank you gift. Gifts to be avoided: clocks, handkerchiefs, knives, scissors means cut friendship. Ethics to give and receive gifts. Refuse a gift 3 times before accepting it. By doing this, it prevents them from appearing greedy. Gifts are not opened in front of the giver. Luxembourg. Most preferred gifts. Quality chocolates, flowers and liquor. A small gift for children is always appreciated. Ethics to give and receive gifts. Gifts are not usually opened when received. Always send a handwritten thank you letter to your host the very next day with a basket of fruits as a token of gratitude. Hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.